I don't really know who I'm recording this for. I guess my younger self or future self or both, or anybody else who lives and deals with this debilitating phobia. But I'm actually crying for a really happy reason. It's because I never ever saw a world where I did not have this overwhelming, completely debilitating fear of throwing up. And today, my daughter threw up twice in the morning. Very random and very unexpected. And I'm okay. I'm okay. And the Thrive program changed my life forever. I don't really know what else to say. I'm so proud of myself. I never imagined a world where this could be real. I mean, yeah, it still made me a bit nervous. And my husband happened to be home and cleaned it up, but I could have, if I needed to. I could have done it. And this also happened with my daughter in January, and I didn't even want to look at her. I couldn't hold her. I didn't want to go near her. I didn't want to touch any of the towels or blankets or anything that had vomit on them ever again. I wanted to throw them all in the garbage, which was pretty silly. And we haven't even finished doing the laundry from this morning. I cleaned the floor, walked on it, haven't thought about it again. And if you have struggled with emetophobia in your life, you know all of these safety-seeking behaviors and weird things that we do. Like, I can remember every single place a kid vomited at school when I was in elementary school almost, 30, 40 years ago. I remember all of their names. I remember where they threw up. I remember holding my breath for years when I walked by those places, jumping over the spot where you saw it, scanning the room for anyone looking unwell, all that kind of stuff. And I look back and it's like a different person. It's a different way of thinking. It's a completely different thing. And obviously I recorded my positives and I processed this, or am currently processing it right now, but like, I can't find an helpful way to process this because I'm so proud of myself, because it's awesome. And yeah, we just picked up and carried on with our day. We went for a big walk. She could have thrown up on the walk. I would have handled it. She didn't. I never thought I could live without this fear, ever. And one small step at a time, it's gone. And I just hope that someone else who lives the way I used to live can feel this too. Because you can do it. And it's not that hard. You just have to know you can do it. And you have to trust that actually there's people out there that feel the same as you. We're a special group. And I think the Thrive program changes and saves our lives, honestly.